How does the build, measure, learn feedback loop work? Imagine trying to cook a new recipe without knowing if it will taste good. You make a small batch, see how it turns out, and then decide what to change. That's similar to how the build, measure, learn loop works in starting a new business. It's a simple process that helps entrepreneurs test ideas quickly and cheaply. First, you build something called a minimum viable product. This is the simplest version of your product that can still show if your idea works. For example, if you want to start a new app, you might create just a basic version that does the main thing you want to test. The goal is not to make it perfect, but to get it out fast so you can see how people respond. Next, you measure what happens when customers use your product. You look at specific numbers or behaviors that tell you if your idea is working. For example, how many people sign up, how long they stay, or what features they use most. It's important to focus on facts that show if your assumptions are right. If customers aren't using the feature you thought they would, that's a sign you need to change something. Then comes the learning part. You analyze the data to understand what it means. Did customers find value? Are they willing to pay? Based on what you learn, you decide what to do next. You can keep improving the product, change your approach, or even start over if necessary. This cycle repeats many times, helping you get closer to a product that customers want and will buy. The idea is to turn guesses into facts quickly. Instead of building a perfect product first, you test small ideas, learn from real customer feedback, and adapt. This saves time and money and reduces the risk of creating something nobody needs. It also helps you understand who your customers are, what problems they face, and how best to solve them. In practice, you might build a simple website, measure how many visitors sign up or click on certain buttons, and then learn whether your message is clear or if your product solves a real problem. If the data shows interest, you can add features or improve the design. If not, you pivot and try a different approach. This loop is at the heart of lean startup principles, which emphasize quick experiments and learning. It helps startups make smarter decisions and avoid wasting resources on ideas that don't work. By repeating the build, measure, learn cycle, entrepreneurs can develop a business model that fits the market and meets customer needs.